So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the relationships in Power BI. What is mean by relationship and why is it used, and everything we are going to cover all about the relationships in the Power BI. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's start the video guys. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about the relationships in the Power BI types, so basically there are four mainly used types in the Power BI. Relationships are, first one is one to one, means one table is connected with a single table. This is known as one to one relationship. Now one to many means a single table, a single table which is connected to many tables. Okay, so this is known as the one to many relationship. Okay, now what is mean by many to one relationship? Basically, in many to one relationship, many tables are connected with a single table. Many tables are connected with a single table. This is known as the many to one relationship. Now what is mean by many to many relationship? So basically in the many to many relationship, many tables are connected to many tables. Okay, so they are connected to each other in the form of anything. Okay, so this is how the many to many table looks like this, and the types are like one to one relationship, and one to many relationship, and many to one relationship, and many to many relationship. Okay, now we are going to see in the Power BI that how to link between the tables. Basically you have to come here on the Power BI and you have to first of all fetch your data. So basically my data which is present in the Excel file, and just I will fetch my data. And here you can see that first of all we have to transform, or we have to load our data, and just I will select my sheets and just I will transform my data. And just I will first of all remove the null values which is present in my sheet, and just I will close and apply this. And here you have to come here on the model view. Okay, and here you can get that what the powerful is Power BI, and it has automatically connected one type of the table. And here you can see that if you move the cursor to this line, here you can see that it will blink the two columns as course ID. Here you can see that it will blink this both the columns as course ID, as it is telling like we have connected the course ID and course ID column between the two tables. Okay, we are going to connect now date name table with the fact table. Okay, so basically we have to find the common columns which are present in the both table. So here you can find that date of registration is the common column which is present in the both the tables. So basically you have to pick that, and just you have to paste here, drag and drop here on the date of registration. And here you can see that this type of the interface, and just you have to save and it will automatically connect. Okay, here you can see that if you move the cursor to the line, here you can see that it will blink the both the columns which it has connected. Okay, here you can see that date of registration column has been connected successfully. Okay, so this was all about the connecting the columns between the two tables. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.